Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome to the Music Development. Today we're going to turn our C major and A minor scales into their associated arpeggios and chords. First, let's look at the C major scale we saw in the previous video. It's all the letters of the musical alphabet, starting and ending on C. Now we're just going to play the first note, C, the third note, E, and the fifth note, G. Then cap it off with the C at the end of the scale, too. It should sound like this altogether. This is our C major arpeggio, sometimes called a broken chord, because these three notes, C, E, and G, are the notes we play all together to make a C major chord. So when they're separate, they're an arpeggio, and when they're all played together, they're a chord. Now let's play the chord. We want our first finger on the first fret on the second string, and our second finger on the second fret on the fourth string. Gently brush the top four strings only with the plectrum to strum the chord. If some notes aren't heard clearly, make sure you're right on your fingertips. You might need to press a little bit harder, and you can make very small adjustments in your fingers to give enough room to all the strings to vibrate. You might also need to bring your thumb a bit lower. See how when I bring my thumb down, it creates a gap under my fingers. Now we're going to play the C major scale, the arpeggio, and chord, one after the other. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we'll do the same with A minor. Just as before, it's the first, third, and fifth notes of the scale to make the arpeggio, A, C, and E. It should sound like this. Then we form our A minor chord by starting with the same shape that we had for our C major chord. So first finger, first fret, second string. Second finger, second fret, fourth string. Now add your third finger to the second fret, third string. Play from the open fifth string this time. It should sound like this. Now let's put all that together for A minor. Scale, then arpeggio, then chord. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're finding it hard to do one after the other, just practice them separately, then come back to putting them together once you're happier with them. That's all for now. See you in the next video.